When the alarm bell of the judge's house began to sound, a crowd soon assembled. Lights and torches of various kinds appeared, and soon a silent crowd was hurrying to the spot. They knocked loudly at the door, but there was no reply. Then they burst into the door and poured into the great dining room. There, at the end of the rope of the great alarm bell, hung the body of the student. And on the face of the judge in the picture was a malignant smile. This is a quote from the tale The Judge's House by Bram Stoker. Quotes from English literature read by Claudio Bruno.